The Hohenzollernplatz Church in Berlin is one of the most striking examples of German Brick Expressionism. Built between 1930 and 1933, the church was designed by Fritz's firm, with Ossip Klarwein as the principal designer. Klarwein supervised the construction personally, and the building became a landmark of modern religious architecture in the Wilmersdorf district. The church was commissioned by the evangelical Wilmersdorf congregation, whose rapid growth in the early 20th century required a new house of worship. The design competition attracted several well-known architects, but Höger's proposal, emphasizing strong verticality, calculated lighting, and monumental brickwork, prevailed. The result was an avant-garde yet spiritual composition that contrasted sharply with traditional Protestant architecture. The building stands on the eastern side of Hohenzollernplatz, with its high, slender bell tower serving as a dominant visual axis in the urban landscape. The structure's steel and concrete skeleton is clad in clinker bricks in varying shades of red and gold. The masonry's rhythm, alternating between raised and recessed verticals, creates a dynamic surface that changes character with the light. Höger's signature Bauedelsteine technique produced a textured, almost living façade. The copper roof, now green with age, adds further contrast. Inside, the church reveals a surprising neo-Gothic influence. 13 reinforced concrete arches span the nave, forming pointed, ogival shapes that draw the eye upward. The interplay of shadow and light, intensified by the narrow windows of the choir, transforms the stark geometry into a poetic experience. This powerful yet spiritual atmosphere earned the nickname Kraftwerk Gottes, God's Power Station. Severely damaged by Allied bombing in 1943, the church lost its interior decorations, frescoes, and stained glass. Reconstruction took place under a preservation order and was completed in 1965. During the 1990 to 1991 restoration, architect Gerhard Schlatter redesigned the interiors and added new windows by Occam Fryer. The church also gained a new role as an exhibition space for contemporary art. Today, Hohenzollernplatz Church continues to serve both as a place of worship and a cultural center. Its bold design, innovative use of light, and enduring materials make it not only a symbol of expressionist architecture, but also a living monument to Berlin's resilience and creativity.